Njengoba kusasa IBafana izobizwa namandla neMorocco eyenze ibukwayo ngokufika kwandulelo wamanqama emqhudelwano endebe yomhlaba nyakenye, leli iqembu lakuleli linethemba lokuthi kuzoyisiza ukuthi lizobe lidlalela ekhaya.
I think for the moment Morocco is maybe the best team in Africa. They showed it already 8 months ago by ending 4th in the World Championship.
Iqembu lakuleli libhekene nenzelelo ukuqinisekisa ukuthi alibaphoqa abalandeli balo njengoba lo mdlalo uzodlalelwa enkundleni ezobigcwele bona phama iFNB.
You need that public certain moments in the game when it's a little bit less certain against an opponent like tomorrow. If you have a public who support you, you can do more.
IBafana izobeka amathemba ayo kumgadlo uPesita ongagayelwa mphako kulezi insuku njengoba esanda ukubhakamisa indebe yomqhudelwano weCAF Champions League kanye nalo leli iqembu lakhe laseGibhithe.
We need to progress as a team, and it's something that we've always wanted to do. And this is a good test to test ourselves because, like I said, we've lost to them away, and we watched the game. We saw how we did and where we suffered.
Lo mdlalo uzoqala ngehora lesihlanu liyozilahla kunina kanti uzobusakazwa bukhoma khona la ku SABC 1.